Ladies and gentlemen, friends and families, and health professionals. I am Dr. Mohammad Adil from United Kingdom. I have 26 years of post-fellowship experience as a surgeon while working in United Kingdom and 4 years of pre-fellowship experience while working in Republic of Ireland. I wanted to keep you updated regarding my GMC case. I recently had 3 weeks of Medical Professional Tribunal hearing in Manchester from 13th of June 2022 until 1st of July 2022 with disappointing results. I was alleged by the GMC for the complaint made by 4 anonymous members of the public regarding my personal viewpoints of COVID-19 in March, April 2020. In a brief Skype hearing, IOT of the GMC suspended my license to practice for 12 months. I had no clinical issue. I had no patient complaint, no ethical, probity, social, or health issue whatsoever. During the Medical Professional Tribunal hearing, we had excellent legal argument against the GMC case. GMC failed to produce those 4 anonymous complainants who had lodged a complaint against me in March, April 2020 regarding my personal viewpoint on COVID-19. I was also alleged by the GMC that my videos on the social media might have caused harm to my patients, damage to the safety of the public, and brought disrepute to the medical profession. But GMC failed to produce any witness, any evidence, or any proof at all to prove their false allegations. On that basis, the GMC case was totally flawed and should have been squashed with immediate effect. But unfortunately, the Medical Professional Tribunal did not consider those points, although the tribunal agreed that I had no clinical or health-related issue whatsoever, but my speeches on the social media might have caused damage to the public safety. On that basis, unfortunately, they suspended my license to practice further for 6 months, which is totally unjustified, unfair, outrageous, and absolute miscarriage of justice, and is discriminatory and clear victimization in a biased medical professional tribunal trial. Therefore, against this ongoing injustice by the GMC and now Medical Profession Tribunal, my legal advisors, PGH Law, Mr. Philip Highland, and his firm, along with my world-renowned barrister, Mr. Francis Hall, have taken my case to the High Court against the General Medical Council and the Medical Professional Tribunal for my unlawful and prolonged suspension, resulting in devastating effect to my profession and my family, with damage to my reputation, loss of income, and loss of livelihood, and compromise the education of my children. I have full faith and trust on the justice system of the UK, which is famous all over the world, and I am very proud of being the part of this system. And I love my patients and take care about them, and I earned a great reputation while working in this country with all honesty and duty. I believe on the Hippocratic Oath: first, do no harm. I need your kind moral and financial support to contest my case in the High Court, to win the justice, not for myself, but also those who have been silenced, especially the health professionals, because of expressing their viewpoints and lost their freedom of speech and expression. There are many health professionals who have been silenced by the medical establishment, which I would request to the great justice system to reinstate them with the immediate effect under the Article 10 of the Human Rights Act of the European Convention, which allows everybody to have a right of speech and freedom of expression. I, along with other health professionals who have been suspended due to expression of speech, need to be reinstated to help millions of patients waiting for their investigations and treatment, especially the cancer patients suffering from bowel cancers, breast cancers, lung cancers, prostate cancers. They have lost their opportunity to have their full investigations and treatment. And the health services should be fully reinstated for all the patients, regardless of color, race, religion, or individuality. This is a crucial time for the UK, and as a citizen of UK, I have a great concern that millions of patients are on the waiting list for their investigations and treatment. And the NHS is having serious and historical shortage due to loss of hundreds of thousands of health professionals due to dissatisfaction of the job, which is obvious when they are neglected and unrewarded. I strongly believe on Winston Churchill, who said a long time ago, all the greatest things are simple and many can be expressed in a single word: freedom, justice, honor, duty, mercy, and hope. With all these words, I would like to request you to donate generously for this noble cause and to help me to contest my case in the High Court to win for the justice, to make an example against the injustice and humiliation which I have been through. Just giving crowdfunding have created a page. I'm grateful you have already donated some money on that, but still need some more, not only to pay to my legal fee, but also the court expenses. And in case if we lost the case, we will have to pay to the second party. So with these words, I would be taking the privilege to thank you for all of you for listening to me and helping me to get out of this most difficult time for me and my family. Many thanks. All the best. Bye-bye.